Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can insert a link into a cell in your spreadsheets on Google Sheets. So let us get started. So let me open that new untitled spreadsheet here on Google Sheets. So what you will need to do, guys, is simply right click into the given cell. So let me go with that one here, and here from the drop down menu select insert link, and after that you will see these fields here: text, search or paste link, and also the assigned sheet. So make sure that you're on the correct sheet here in the bottom left corner. So here in the text, guys, simply add your text. So let me go, for example, with Google, and below you can paste the link. So let me go to google.com, copy the URL address and navigate back to our spreadsheet and paste it here. In the last step, guys, confirm by clicking into apply, and you will see the preview below. And that's it. You see the text, and also if you hover your mouse over it, you will see the link. And here to the right, guys, you can copy it and also edit the link or remove it. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.